How to animate like South Park on the CapCut. Hi guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so now let's get started. First of all, you have to go and open up your CapCut. Now once you're in, you have to go on the template, and here you have to search for the South Africa template, South Park templates. Now once you search for it, you have to click on it and go in its edit. Now as you can see, there are many types of templates for the videos. You have to simply scroll down, and here is the South Park. You have to click on it. Now once you're in, you have to click on the use template, and in this you have to add up your video which you want to add in your template. After adding this, you have to simply export it, and you are able to animate like South Park on the CapCut. So yeah, this is how you can animate your video like South Park on the CapCut.